Yeah. Oh gosh, I have to like hold my head. Oh shit.
What's up?
Oh my god.
Hey everybody.
It's Atia,
Atia.
Michelle, Franny. We're about to watch. What is it called?
One guy, one screwdriver.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. So here we go. We're about to watch.
People don't ever look at the camera when they're. So. One priest, one nun.
What
yeah.
Or one guy, one screwdriver.
It's the same website.
Poor fella. First his cornhole, now his Jimmy Jammy.
His Jimmy Jammy?
Is that
one
what
sexual organ left to destroy?
El huevos?
Maybe.
Oh,
Is it the same guy? Does he still have a butthole?
I don't know.
3 months.
This
No.
is the same guy! Oh my god! Oh! What is that? That's milk! Oh my god! Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh my god, he's leaking blood.
Why would you do that?
But the blood!
Oh my god. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Why is he touching the camera? Oh my god. Did he leave another napkin out?
He used another napkin fake. And that's not even a good napkin. That ain't Charmin.
Look at the screwdriver.
Oh my.
Oh, the tub has blood in it.
Oh. Why was your penis in the sink though? Oh.
Why? Why?
Why do people
Why
do
you do this to yourself? Why?
Oh my god.
That's just
I have seen one girl, one cup. I have seen one guy, one jar or whatever. But that was sick. And I'm a sick person. Oh, oh.
Mm-mm.
I can't, words can't even, no.
That's not right.
Sir, don't do that no more. That is disgusting, sir.
Oh
That person should be arrested.
What the fuck was that?
I don't. How did he get the screwdriver in it?
I know.
Like, was it surgical? Oh, that's some Saw stuff. That's some stuff that you see on Saw. That is stuff that you only see on Saw. This is why sick movies should not be invented.
My life.
I'm done. Franny, console me.
Once again.